Are you using your inhaler correctly? Do you want to know what the most common errors are in using an inhaler and then use that information to improve your inhaler technique? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 6 inhaler technique errors that people make. If you can identify these mistakes in your technique, by fixing these errors, you'll get more from your inhaler. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jignesh Sangani. I'm a practice pharmacist based in South London with a special interest in asthma. If you want to learn more about asthma or general practice, I'd recommend you hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So, in no particular order, here are the top 6 inhaler technique mistakes. At number 6, we have not breathing out before you take your inhaler. Now, when you breathe out as fully as you can before you take your inhaler, you make space in your lungs for the next breath in. This allows you to take a deep and long breath in when you inhale your medicine, giving the medicine a chance to reach far inside your lungs. If you don't breathe out before you take your inhaler, it becomes a lot harder to take a deep, long breath in, and in theory, a lot harder for the medicine to penetrate deep into your airways. In at number 5, we have not shaking the inhaler before using it. Most MDIs need to be shaken before you use them. This is to make sure both the medicine and the propellant mix properly. So if you don't shake the inhaler before you use it, what will spray out from the inhaler may not be as much medicine as you need, and you might find you're getting more propellant. At number 4, it is not holding your breath for 10 seconds after you've taken your inhaler. Once you have inhaled your medicine, you should hold your breath for at least 10 seconds. This provides the medicine more time to settle in your lungs. Now, this one is not for everybody. If you can't hold your breath for 10 seconds, that is okay. Hold your breath for as long as you feel comfortable. In at number 3 is pressing 2 puffs of the inhaler at the same time. With MDIs, you need to wait at least 30 seconds between puffs to allow enough time for the propellant and medicine to mix. If you use 2 puffs in quick succession, it is possible that you could receive less medicine in your airways compared to taking 1 puff at a time. You also want to give each puff the maximum chance to have an impact. Using 2 puffs without sufficient gap makes this harder. At number 2, we have not forming a seal with your mouth around the inhaler. If you don't form a seal around the inhaler with your mouth, when you use the inhaler, the medicine can escape from the gaps. It will mean that you won't get the full dose of your medicine. So, by forming a tight seal around the inhaler with your lips, you'll get your full dose of your inhaler. Now, before I talk about the last inhaler technique error, if you have found this video useful, please click on the like button below and share this video with your friends so that more people can get to learn about inhaler technique errors. And this week's number 1 is not lifting your chin when using an inhaler. If your chin is pointing downwards, it can make it harder for the inhaled medicine to reach deep into your airways. Lifting your chin slightly helps the medicine go down to the lungs more easily. There was a study in 2017 which identified not tilting the chin upwards was linked to uncontrolled asthma in MDI users. It is a minor change in how the inhaler is used, but it may have a big benefit. So that covers the top 6 inhaler technique errors. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned from it. If you'd like to receive more videos like this, then click on the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. Until next time, bye for now.